Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit money to your OKX and buy cryptocurrencies on it. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So once you first install OKX, you're going to have to create a new account, and during that verification method, you're going to have to add your ID and your Face ID. Once you do that and make sure it's all set, then it will allow you to add cash deposit directly into the application. To do so, all you have to do is click on the portfolio on the bottom right section, and then from here you can see the list in front of you, and so you're going to click on the deposit application right here. Now the deposit is going to allow you to choose whatever asset you would like. It can include from crypto to cash. Now for you to buy cryptocurrencies, you're going to have to start with cash. So I'm going to select Euro or USD dollar. Once you do that, it's going to give you two options. Either you're going to use a bank account transfer, or now recently you can use PayPal. That can work with Euro. For USD, it's mostly just international wire transfer for now. And so from here, once you do that, you're going to click on next, and then you're going to add however much amount, so for example 500 euros, and then you're going to attach your PayPal account or your bank account depending on whatever method you would like to use. And then from that, once you do that and you add it to your account, it will deposit from here, and all you have to do is select on whatever cryptocurrency you might like. So for example, if we go back to the portfolio right here, click on the buy, and so from here it's going to show you that you can buy Bitcoin, and then you can select whatever payment method, and so from here you're going to select the euro balance that we have just deposited with PayPal or bank account info on. And once that's done, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.